maybe now hear me out. Hear me out. I'm being very analytical. I was raised to be analytical. I did engineering for 12 years at U of T. So I'm going to use my thinking brain, my analytical, dissectional thoughts. Perhaps if Donald Trump and Elon Musk had gay sex, but then they finished their gay sex and went to the Oval Office and worked on a spending bill. And in the spending bill, first they washed their hands from their gay sex. But after that, they broke up and then they had gay sex, oral sex again, and then fucking they went to the Oval Office and worked on a spending bill. And in the spending bill, after their gay sex, they said corporations need to mandatory, and this is debatable, economists from, we can get one economist from Yale, one economist from Harvard, and one economist from Trump's golf resort in Florida. We'll get three economists. So we'll get three economists to come up with three different levels, okay? And we're going to find the level that works based on these three economists. And the bill will say that corporations must spend this much of their net income. No tax loopholes, no accounting strategies. They must spend this level of their net income as salary for their workers or for a good cause, charity or some sort of foundation. Mandatory. Depending on the size, so we'll set a limit. So depending on the size of the corporation, and depending on how much net income and revenue they generate, how much expenses they're allowed to generate, and how much, cost-cutting measures they're allowed to put into place, how much capital expenditure they are allowed to exuberate. Would that raise morale of the workers, income of the workers, and good causes? And would that stifle competition? Would that fucking crumble capitalism to the core like the Roman Empire? And would that be the end fall of capitalism? Would we fall into communistic hell? Would we fall into communism if we set a level for how much corporations need to spend of their net income for a good cause or their employee wages, and how much they're allowed to cut costs and spend on capital expenditure? I think it would ruin the free market world. So Trump and Elon Musk, I think, just have gay sex in peace. Just have gay sex in peace. We don't want to break capitalism now.